Thanks to Sadar Sahab, Barasruddin Asaduddin Sahab. Thanks to Janab Kauser Mohiuddin Sahab, MLA Corporator. Thanks to Janab Harun Sahab, Corporator Toli chowki. Thanks to Janab Nasiruddin Sahab, Corporator Nana Nagar. I am Mohammed Salim, founder and president of Sanjary Group of Institution. I am author of about 30 books, including class CBSE books class 1 to 5. Today, Thursday, May 30, 2024, is a opening ceremony of Sanjary Public School, class preschool to class 10, at located Main Road, Toli chowki, Amal Arcade Building, Hyderabad. Sanjary Public School is recognized by Government of Telangana, and we follows IGC syllabus for preschool and CBSE syllabus for class 1 to 5 and class 6 to 7 and 10 SSC syllabus. Benefit of our student to get very high quality of education with our own published books published by Sanjary Publication, including worksheet, revision paper, question paper. We have Diniyat and Islamic education on this school. We are planning to proceed our student to USA on a regular basis. Sanjary bookstore is attached to this public school to get the benefit of that. And Sanjary Public School offer opportunity to all interested parties to get the franchise school in India and abroad. Thanks once again to all. Thank you very much. बराबर है.
Ini dia nak jago, saya ni dia habis semua.